SAQ third problem. Given curve equation is this one. Show that length of the subtangent is constant. Length of the subnormal equal to y square by a. So first calculate m. M is nothing but dy by dx. B. Derivative of e power x. E power x into derivative of internal function x derivative 1 by a. Observe this one, same term repeated in this place. So this is given y. So m value is y by a. This is y. So take length of subtangent y by m. Y by m value y by a. So y into a by y. Y take its reciprocal. Y cancel. A, that is a constant. Take length of the subnormal y into m. Y into m. Y into m value y by a. So that is a y square. Y square by a. Y square by a. Next, fourth Roman. Fourth Roman. See, given curve is y square equal to 4ax. Length of the subnormal is a constant. Subnormal is constant. So first calculate dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a x derivative 1. So dy by dx equal to 4a by 2y. 2 table cancel. 2 table cancel. This is a m value. What is the given question? Show that length of the subnormal. Length of the subnormal is constant. What is the formula? Y into m. Y into m value 2a by m. Sorry, 2a by y. M value 2a by y. Y cancel. 2a. 2a is nothing but a constant. 2a is a constant. Next, second Roman. Second Roman. xy equal to a square. Show that length of the subnormal. Length of the subnormal various means proportional to cube of the ordinate. Cube of the ordinate. So first calculate dy by dx. This is in the form of uv. U dash v plus b dash u. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. X derivative 1 into y. Derivative of y, dy by dx into x. So x into dy by dx equal to minus y. So dy by dx minus y by x, minus y by x. This is nothing but m. So length of the subnormal y into m, y into m. So modulus of y into minus y by x. So y square by x. That is modulus symbol. So remove minus also. Y square by x. But we want y cube. From given equation, x value is a square by y. From given equation, x value a square y by y. We want y cube. So remove this x by using this value. So modulus of y square by a square by y. Take the reciprocal, y cube by a square. Therefore, length of subnormal equal to 1 by a square into y cube. So this is a constant. So subnormal various proportional to y cube. Proportional to y cube. Next, fifth Roman. Y equal to a power x. Given two questions. Length of the subtangent is constant. Only one question. Length of the subtangent is a constant. So, length of the subtangent. So, first calculate dy by dx. A power x into log a m. So, a power x is nothing but y. So, y into log a power x is nothing but y. So, length of the subtangent, y by m, y by m value, y log a, y cancel, 1 by log a. This is a constant value. 1 by log a is also a constant. Next, first Roman. Y equal to b into sine of x by a. Length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal. So first calculate dy by dx. B into derivative of sine, cos, derivative of internal function 1 by a. So this implies m equal to b by a into cos of x by a. length of subtangent y by m. Y by m. Y is this one. B sine x by a. M value b by a cos x by a. B cancel. 1 by a becomes to a. Sine by cos. Tan x by a. Tan x by a. Length of subnormal y into m. Y value b sine x by a. M value b by a cos x by a. B into b square by a sine x by a cos x by a. Actually, problem is over, but theta equal sin theta cos theta. So multiply and divide with 2. 2 sin theta cos theta. We apply sin 2 theta formula. So next step is b square by 2a 2 sin x by a cos x by a. Multiply and divide with 2. This is in the form of 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a equal sin 2a formula. So answer is b square by 2a sin 2 into x by a. Sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula.